This is the one that we have in Legazpi, but sold out. And this is Makati Avenue, sort of hotel. It's a fifth largest estate of Ayala. And
This is San Lorenzo Village where
Yes.
you plan to buy lot by 5
Ah,
years
you
from
people,
now.
village, you told me?
Yeah, the one we're supposed to buy 5 years from
village.
now.
Yeah.
5 years
Yeah,
from now,
sir.
here.
you check
Inside.
On San Lorenzo Village.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Gusto
didn't
namin
check.
bumili
It's
doon.
your first time here in
Yeah,
your first time here.
yeah.
So nice
Here. Yeah, that's the whole area of Makati.
Forbes Park. No. I like San Lorenzo, Yabu.
Here, ma'am,
If we buy lot. Bel Air, I
Look at
don't
the
like.
village, here? Yeah, village.
Bel Air Village.
Yeah, this is Bel Air. Then there's
Bel Air.
Forbes Park. One of the high prices.
Here, very high
lot.
lot.
Yeah, but I like San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo.
Better than Bel Air, better than Forbes Park. Pero so,
You check before in San Lorenzo.
Yeah, whole of Makati.
The whole Makati.
Whole Makati.
It's the whole Makati area, sir. The Circuit Makati I operate is here. This will be, this will be new estate.
this is where I took my document, remember? We went?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
here.
in ano ma-
Circuit.
oh,
Yeah, sa may PSA.
yeah.
Di ba?
In PSA.
Oh,
That's
PSA.
the only PSA.
So magiging BGC siya, parang
Yes.
BGC, mini
What's
BGC.
going to happen here, ma'am, is ito, lahat ng may color
Aha.
is, kumbaga nakatayo na. Except this one.
Yeah.
Ito pre-selling.
Oh, so yan yung ino-offer mo
Ito.
na Ayala.
Ang 5 tower po.
Oh, okay.
Ito sold out po kasi.
Mhm.
Tapos 16 towers yung,
Eto, Ayala, wala pa. Kailan ang
ma'am.
turnover nun?
ito po,
Yeah.
turnover 2029.
Oh, this one.
This one, wala pang launch yan.
Ito, wala pa.
Wala pa rin. Ito mga future development.
Future.
16 towers plan natin.
Basta yung 2029.
Yes po. And then we're from here, International Museum, future, like MoMA, Museum of Modern Arts sa New
I
York.
like,
Or-
okay. Maganda yung museum ng Dubai.
Yeah,
Nakita mo na
actually,
yung museum ng Dubai?
Yes, actually parang
Very
siya magiging
nice.
ganun.
Okay.
Very nice. You like yung sa museum in Dubai.
Yun yung gusto ko.
Actually, magiging ganun. Ito yung buong area. Right now, ma'am, nagtitingin po talaga kayo ng mga properties. Kailan yung last
For
na tingin
investment.
niyo sa San Lorenzo, ma'am?
Matagal na. Pero kasi, magko-condo muna kami. But then, like 5 years from now, gusto namin bumili ng lupa.
Ilang years from now, ma'am?
5 years from now. So sabi ko, kapag bibili kami ng lupa, here lang, along Makati.
Tama naman.
Ayoko lumayo ng Makati.
Yeah.
So, may, di ba, may Bel Air, may Four Stars, pero gusto ko taging San Lorenzo.
San
Ano yung
Lorenzo.
Assumption kasi. Diba?
Apo. Yung this one, anong unit pa naman